Hi friends, I'm Ravina. Welcome back to Spices and Aromas. Today we are keeping it simple, a dish for beginners with vegetable stir fry. I have heated 2 tablespoons of oil in my trusty pan and make a tempering with 1 teaspoon of mustard and half teaspoon of urad dal. I will add 2 sprigs of curry leaves. Tempering with urad dal gives a wonderful flavor to this dish. Now let's add 2 onions, 5 to 6 crushed garlics for that extra kick of flavor. Continue sauteing for a while. Add 2 chopped tomatoes and saute it until they mingle well. Add chopped vegetables, 1 cup each of carrots, beans and the sprouted peas. Sprouting not only enhances the nutrition value of the peas but also makes them easy to digest. Give a good mix and close the lid. Covering the lid helps to enhance and retain the taste of the dish. It prevents the loss of nutrition from the vegetables. Please check the description box for benefits of cooking with the lid covered. Now I just added 1 slit green chilli and 1/4 cup of coconut, and now I will season it with some salt to taste. Just give a quick stir and close the lid again. You can also include cauliflower and potatoes to this type of stir fry. It tastes simply awesome. You can add just half cup of water if you feel the dish is dry. Close the lid and let it cook completely. Let me open the lid and check for the doneness. Wow, the vegetables are well cooked in its own steam. And now let's serve it with some steamed rice, fish pulimunchi and some pickle. Thank you friends for watching my video.